also
Hey,
South
JJ.
Kansas.
Say hi.
As we go into the day on Sunday, our storm chances
All right, happy
to,
baby.
the threat will start to push into south central Kansas. Through isolated
Say hi, happy baby.
possible and portions of south central and also southeast Kansas.
Oh, my goodness.
Really
Oh, if you're Nelson, there's one more.
and we're going to hold on to it.
No.
We head into the first part
Nelson baby sneezed 3 times.
Sunshine, 72 by the noon hour, so a nice quick
Happy baby.
head into the afternoon, 82 at 3 p.m. I think we're going to top out right around 84, follow back to about 82 at 6 p.m., maybe a few